welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to get my AstraZeneca vaccine here in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. So you've probably seen the video I already put up when my wife went to get her vaccine. This is sort of about the vaccine process. Today's video is more about AstraZeneca and what the side effects might be like, how I get on with it. Again, I'm going to go through the vaccination process once more. If you haven't seen the previous video, make sure you go and check that one as well. My friend's going to be taking me there today just in case there's any side effects or anything that come early on and I struggle to be able to drive back, because it's a good 25-minute drive away. So we're going to see how we get on with it. Hopefully everything's going to be okay. We're going to jump straight ahead now and get to the vaccination centre and see how I get on with it, really. So I'm now off to get the vaccine. I've got to check, I don't really know what's going on. I've got to check in. It's really busy. I don't really like it being so busy because it means there's loads of people here. But I'll keep my distance, keep my mask on, should be alright. Yeah, it's really busy. So it seems like there's like a bit of a queue here, so maybe it's not going to be as fast as my wife. My wife was in it now in like 40 minutes, but I'm miles away at the moment. Yeah, I had to show my appointment and passport like 17,000 times already, which is fair enough, but I don't have to show it so many times. I need to get my phone out and get my passport out. But I think this is I'm going into the building now. I'm here now. Right, so I've done the first bit. They basically just asked me loads of times, like if I was sick, if I agreed to get in the vaccine, which of course I said yes to all. Now I am waiting, I think, just to get the actual vaccine. And that's it. It was actually way quicker than I thought. Like obviously I saw a huge queue of people, but it was like way quicker than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, cool. Right, so here we go, we're getting the vaccine out. I hate this bit, I really hate that needle. Who's going for it? Ha! Ha! You got to pose first.
What is this?
Oh, it's a tattoo. Yeah, just get the tattoo. Yeah.
Okay,
just do the vaccine.
Okay, this one 0.5 exact.
Okay.
Okay, relax, just relax. Okay. Relax. Okay, finish already.
That's it.
Hi.
We're done.
Yeah.
Quite a nice little touch where everyone can get the pictures taken after the vaccine. I don't even know where I'm going now. But anyway guys, AstraZeneca vaccine done. Well, the first dose done. We're going to follow up and see what side effects we get with it. Hopefully it'll be a big fat 0 and nothing, and I'll be fine. I can get back on my life and have a beer tonight. That would be great. But keep on watching. I'm just going to keep rolling the video over the next couple of days and see how it goes. Alright, so it's been like 6 hours since I had the vaccine. Getting hot flushes, feeling a little bit warm. I've sort of set up like a nest on the sofa here, which is why I'm doing all my talking here. Yeah, so temperature's a little bit high. The one thing that I've not had, which everyone seems to have normally, is like a dead arm. Like my arm's completely fine from where the vaccine went in. My wife's arm was like sore like within like 10 minutes of having the vaccine. So far I'm okay, but I will keep going. I'm sort of going to give it 24 hours to see how it goes. Like some people don't get any side effects. Obviously, I've said I'm a little bit of a hot flush. I'm drinking loads of water, paracetamols and stuff like that. So fingers crossed that everything stays fine. So it is now midnight. It's been 10 hours since I had the vaccine. I'm off to bed now in my cool Star Wars pajama top. So far, side effects, I felt a little bit tired, but I did wake up at 6:30 this morning, so that could probably be why, and it's been quite a long day. So there's that. like where the vaccine was, like I can't even feel it at the moment, and it's been what, 10 hours like I said. So we'll see how I get on. At the moment everything's fine. Right, so it's the morning now. It's been what, like 20 hours since the vaccine, and honestly, like other than like a little bit of a headache, yesterday I didn't feel great for a little bit. Like I was like sort of just like had a bit hot, a bit headachy, but that was it. Like literally it wasn't for long. Felt like it was kicking my ass for a little bit, but then it was fine. Like arm as well, I can feel it now, but I mean it's not terrible. So I think I just got a little bit luckier than some people. I know some people have had really bad side effects, and some people have just had nothing, and I feel like at the moment, I mean, who knows what could happen in the next little bit of time, but at the moment I sort of like feel like I'm in the second lot of minimal side effects, which is good, obviously for me. But yeah, so guys, that is the AstraZeneca vaccine. Obviously, I hope this has been helpful. I hope this has been educational. But yeah, so if you do want to follow me on Instagram, I'll post on there saying like if I'm feeling any worse later on, or anything like that. But yeah, so guys, please make sure you go follow me on Instagram, which is right there. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up, make sure you leave a little comment, just saying anything, just saying like awesome video or anything like that, because obviously it does help with the YouTube getting my video out there if you like it, comment on it and stuff like that. Anyway guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.